I'm often asked the question is, can you read for a child? Well, sure, I can read for a child, but generally speaking, we don't. And it's not really we don't read for a child. I don't read to the child, as in the regular way I read for somebody else. So I'm not going to sit in my office with a 6-year-old and hand them a bunch of information. And there's a lot of reasons for that. Life paths change. 6-year-olds might not understand this information. But generally, children under the age of 18, I don't read for them. I will read them, but to the parent. Because the parent is their legal guardian, I have consent to read for them. And I do read for them in a way that is helpful and helps the parent understand what information we're giving and how it can be used. Why would somebody want a child read? Well, for entertainment value, I suppose. You might just want to know if your child has an aptitude for math or science or art, kind of what's in their soul, so to speak, which of course is going to change over time. But you just might want to know. But there are other deeper reasons why people ask for children to be read. Behavioral issues, social issues, just in general functioning issues, even spiritual issues. Yep, children do have spiritual issues. You've heard of children who struggle because they're seeing shadow people or they have imaginary friends that are telling them to do things that aren't good. So we might take a look at a child and see what's going on in that respect. But I'm reading the child for the parent, not reading directly to the child and handing the child information. Now, once somebody's over 18, that's different. They're getting more into adulthood and they can understand the information that they're receiving. But if you're under 18, we read sort of for the parent, not necessarily to the child.